Hello friends, we are going to learn how to create DB connection using PHP and MySqli. So we'll create some notes here before proceeding. So what are the requirements to create DB connection using MySqli? So first of all we need one server, which we have shown how to install in our previous session. And also we need some basic knowledge of PHP. So after installing our one server in our PC or laptop, we will start our one server. You can see here it is running now, as because it is green. So we will go to our directory. By clicking on it, we will get here www directory. So we click on that, and I have created a folder here, that is empty folder, block. I have named it as block. So now we will create an index file here. You can see here PHP starting tag and closing tag here. So now we will save this file as index.php. So we'll go to our WAMP. Yes, so we'll save here index.php. This is our folder block, and we have created here index.php. Now we'll edit this file. So this is our file. So now we have created a database here. You can go to PHPMyAdmin. So let us create a new database here. We will name it as blog block, and we'll hit on create button. You can see here our new database has been created here with name blog. So we'll create a new table here. We will name it as post. You can create here number of columns, so I will only create 3 columns here. After clicking, you have to just hit on go button. As you have selected 3 columns, so 1 2 3, so these are the columns here. So we will name our first column as post id, and second as post title, and our third post description. So post id will be int, and we will save it length as 10, post title varchar, that means various, and we will save length as 255, and post description same as before, 255. So post id will set auto increment and primary. So we'll save our table here, which we have created now. Yes, it has been saved, you can see here, but no data entry has been done here. You can see here. So we'll click on insert query here. So just we'll put post title here, hello world. So we'll place now post description here, hello friend, how are you. So we'll hit on go button. Now you can see here on browse whatever we have entered in post. So it has been came here, hello world, hello friend, how are you. Now we will try to connect using MySqli DB connection with index.php page. So how can we do that? We will go to index.php, and now what we will do, you can see here the name of the database we have named it as block. So what we'll do, we'll place the name of database here, blog block. As we are working in localhost, so we'll put localhost here, and username will put root, and password will be empty as we are working in localhost. So we have created our connection with the PHPMyAdmin with the database block. So we'll try to extract the post from here to our index.php. So how can we do that? We will create an insert query. Sorry, we'll create a select query. Select all from, the name of our database is block and our table is post. So we'll say here select all from post. We have selected select all from post. So now we'll run the query. Run query query is equal to MySqli fetch array we'll put the name of the connection here, con, and insert query here. We'll run the while loop. So what are the so we have post title, post description, and post ID. So we'll try to extract here. We'll name it as title is equal to post title. So whatever we have named here, so we have to put here post title. Again we will try to extract the description here by the similar way, descripti one description, that is post desk desc. So we will try to echo here echo title here. So let us run the file. We have named it as block. There's some issues here, so let us check. What is the issue behind? Let us check here. Still there is some issues, so let us check here what is the issue. So there were some issues, so let us check now. We have not made query on last time, so let us make query now. proceeding to the next line. Run query, we will name it as run query. So insert query and run query, as I have named here, whatever you want you can change, as because it is just a variable. So run query is equal to MySqli query. So here I have created a connection with name con, so you can change to connect. So whatever you want you can change here. So I have created connect here. So first of all we will write connect here, and then you have to write insert query here. So we have successfully run the query, and now we will extract the query. So how can we do that? Extract is equal to MySqli fetch array. So what we'll do here now, we'll keep here run query, and we'll run a while loop here. So let us extract the columns here. So how can you do that? We'll create a title is equal to, as you have named it here, extract. So we'll paste here extract, and then we'll write the name of the column here. So what we have named here, post title. So let us write post title. So now let us paste by echoing that title here. Don't forget to place $sign in each and every line. Oh, there's a mistake. We have to insert it within column. So let us check. Before there was some error. Yes, we have successfully extracted the title here. You can see hello world. So we have extracted here in our browser hello world. So let us try to extract post description here. Hello friend, how are you? So how can you do that? Similarly, we will copy this line and we will paste here, and we will name it as description. Always change the name of the variable. Don't put similar variable at a time. So we will write post post pesc, the name of the column. You can see here post description, we have named it post description. So similarly we will write here post description. So let us bring it in middle. H1 description is description. Yes, let us now run it. Hello world and description is hello friend, how are you? So we have successfully extracted the file from our PHPMyAdmin. So you can check here hello world, hello friend, how are you? So now let us insert another post here. Let it be how are you Navendu dash. So we'll place the description here. Navendu, no, this name is too tough, so we'll change this name to Mithun. Mithun. Mithun is very lazy. So let us insert this. So let us check here. You can see a hello world and description, the previous one, and next how are you Navendu dash, and description is Mithun is very lazy. So we can successfully extract from our PHPMyAdmin. So these are the codes.